Hello everyone. So student, today we will discuss about the verbs. So we are going to discuss today about the verbs. Okay. So let's start with the definition. Okay. So verb is used to convey an action, an occurrence or state of being. It means verbs tell us about the subject of the sentence, what is the subject and what it does. So verb tell us that. Okay. So okay, look at these examples. First is she runs fast. Okay. So runs is a verb. Okay, in this sentence runs is a verb. So it tells us about the subject and what is it in this sentence and what it does in sentence. So that is verb. Okay. And second example, he feels sick. He feels sick. Feels is a state of being in this sentence. Okay. So okay, now how many verbs are in how many verbs are there? Are 5 types of verbs. Okay. So first is transitive verb, second is intransitive verb, third is linking verb, and fourth is auxiliary verb, and fifth is modal verb. Okay student, so these all are 5 verbs. Okay, so first verb is transitive verb. Okay, so transitive verb which need an object and are usually followed by a noun, pronoun are known as transitive verbs. It means transitive verb also need an object and it always followed by a noun or pronoun. For example, I need a house. I need a house. So I is a pronoun and need is a verb and a house is a object. So the verb always follow pronoun and always lead an object, that is transitive verb. Okay student, so next is intransitive verb. Okay, verb which do not need an object but do need an adverbial modifier known as intransitive verb. Okay, so what is adverbial modifier? It tells us about the adverbial modifier to helpful for change in the sentence. For example, she dances beautiful. Okay, so dances is a verb and beautiful is a adverbial modifier because beautiful express the verb are verbs. Okay, so it is a adverbial modifier. Okay, so third is linking verb. Linking verb is which need subjunctive complement are known as linking verb. Okay, what is the subjunctive complement? It is also express the our verb. It tells more about the subject. Okay, it expresses the subject. For example, she looks beautiful. She looks if I remove that beautiful, so that sentence is not complete. She looks. It is not a sentence, complete sentence. So it needs a subjunctive complement, and beautiful is a subjunctive complement and looks. So she looks beautiful and I like you. So if I remove you, then its sentence also not a complete sentence. So it is also need a subjective complement. That subjective complement express the subject, express about the subject. Okay, so that is linking verb. Okay, number 4. Number 4 is auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verbs are that verbs are used to create question, and negative sentences are known as auxiliary verbs. Okay, one more thing in the auxiliary verbs are important. Auxiliary verbs also tell us about the tenses. Okay, what is the sentence used in the sentence? It tell us about that. For example, don't forget your wallet. Don't forget your wallet. That is negative sentence, and that is don't forget. That is auxiliary. Okay. So 5th is modal verbs. Okay. Now what is the modal verb? Modal verbs are used to express abilities, permission, probability, habit, request, offer, suggestions, possibilities, obligations, etc. Okay, so modal verbs are used these words. Okay, these expression. Okay, so for example, she can sing well. She can sing well. Okay, so it is a modal verb. Okay, so that's all about the verb. I hope you all understand about the verbs. Okay, thank you, student.